this and re-plug in my phone because I can only use one. So I know it's a terrible intro, and I know I had to redo this probably like twice now. I think we've had to do it twice now.
Yeah.
So I have my sister, or I wouldn't say sister. She's my SL daughter, but at the same time, she's like my sister. So, so I bought Mercy 1.0 from Evie Anderson. This is my second fursuit. This is Mercy 2.0. Her final and her actual debut will be here in about a week and a half at FWA. So she came just in time. I have already covered my maker's address because I am smart cookie, and unlike other people who rush to open their boxes, I covered her address up with tape. Mine is out still, but to be honest, if you find me, I'll kill you. So, I'm more concerned about the maker's address than mine. I have cut maybe one slit this entire box. Again, like I said, I don't see any artwork on the box, and I'm like terrified to tilt her. Like, you can see the box. She's in a pretty big box. So I know that other furries, they use big knives.
Big knives.
Yeah, knives. I'm so terrified to open this because I fucking saw her made, but it's nothing like quite feeling when it's in your hands. It's a little bit of a different experience because this is the point in time where you finally see if everything fits. And that is the hardest part about it. Oh my god, my phone's gonna fall. Okay, so the maker is KaylasKritterz. For anyone who wants to go commission her, do so. Her prices are worth the effort and worth the wait. I waited 4 months, I think, for this mini partial. And this is all custom, so 4 months for a mini partial is pretty dang fast. But she does absolutely astounding work. I'm going to critique it in person. I love you, Kayla. I had such a wonderful time working with Kayla. She was amazing, and I love her company. And we'll probably in the future go back and go get a Kigu and plushie and order Christmas gifts for people, right? And I'm just sitting here being a maniac with a knife in my hand. So, I'm so terrified to open this. I almost want to switch to scissors just in case. And I know that there's no body in here. So it's just the head's probably going to be able to be seen right off the bat, which is for a no-no. I know everybody's like, rip it, just rip it. But I'm like, no. I'm really careful with. Also, I
I'm gonna tell you right now, if I ever get something like this, I am probably gonna use, instead of the biggest knife possible, I'm probably gonna use the smallest knife possible, just to be contradicting.
To be honest, there's people out there that have done that already, because the whole stigma.
I know.
The what?
It's just to be contradicting.
Okay, I see a bunch of plastic. I don't hardly see any fur. But I think I just saw the inside of her ear. It's just nerve-wracking, not looking. I swear to God, I'm not looking. I am just digging my hands in here, and I don't know what I'm pulling out. More than likely the head first, because I'm a dumbass. I see her fur. Okay, I feel an ear. Her head's in the bottom. Oh God, please tell me it's not all in one bag. Is it in all? I swear to God. Shoot, she is in a box. She is in all one box. She's all in one. I'm not looking at her. Not doing it. Not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not looking at her.
So wait, the whole person is in the box?
No, she's, all of her pieces are, oh my God. I'm already feeling the fur and I'm just like, she's so soft. Okay, what I'm grabbing here first is the tail. I know for a fact this is the tail. So, oh my God, it is cute. It's so tiny.
It's cute.
Look at that little bitty thing. Oh my God, I love the color she picked out. Wow, that doesn't even look like ivory. Unless she used only ivory on the face, which would make sense. But, oh my God, oh God, she needs a brush real bad. But, okay, so I thought this was going to be more loose. It looked more loose in the photos.
Okay, all I'm gonna say is it seems that they're making it more firm because then it prevents it from getting underneath your shoes.
Yeah,
And all that stuff.
it's kind of more, it's more poofed out because also this thing is really tiny compared to my old one. My old one couldn't fit in a camera frame.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, my old one couldn't fit in a camera frame, so this is like tiny. But it's like almost, it's perfect size for like my body, which I like. I can see she needs some brushing.
Bring out more. I want to see more.
I know. I'm just like so terrified. I'm like sitting here like procrastinating for the head. All right, paws next. I gotta find paws. Okay, I see ear. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, yay! She included a doggo brush. That adds another 5 to my collection. Another 5 to my collection. Because I have like 15 of them. I have no idea. Because like my mom works at an animal hospital, so like she has them. I feel claws.
Oh, and news.
Oh.
I may be getting a better job.
Uh-huh.
I'll go to conventions with you.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, so I'm not going to read this until I pull everything out. Alright, I got one of her hands. This is like the moment I've been waiting for, is her hands.
Put it on. Put it on.
Oh, wow, it's a lot stiffer. Oh my God. Oh gosh. She actually fits. My God,
Those
they're
big claws.
huge. I know, they're like huge. Way bigger than what the photo looks like.
All I can see you doing is just going to a convention and going, rawr.
No, it's like I love hearing dinosaur. Rawr. Oh my God. The quality of the nails. The quality of the nails are amazing.
You'll just go,
rawr. Oh my God. Super cute. Very clean work. Extremely clean work. Oh God, I'm gonna be covered in fur. Oh my God. She's a beaut. I love her. There's a piece of teal fur. Thing that came from her previous head. Because she made a like a teal bluish fox before me. So I just found a blue teal tuft that made it all the way to Virginia. Oh God. Oh my God. They're
well, and I got a couple friends that are helping me pay for me to get a fursuit. So when I get a job and everything, I'll be able to.
Yeah, and then here's her other hand, which got probably a little smushed in transit, which is normal. My pinkies are really tiny, so like my pinky ends like right there. My pinky has a hard time making it in. Although my thumb hole is a little bit small, but like that's the most dexterity.
I think the thumb hole was meant to be small so that your pinky can't make it all the way up there.
Interesting, because I can hardly move this side. But I mean, I'm not complaining because this was $1,000. I'm not complaining. You know, the quality of the hands are really nice. Mom, she's here.
Huh?
She's here.
All right.
I'm starting to open her. I haven't even looked at the head yet.
Let me see, because I love that.
Here's the paw.
Cool.
And then
Who are you talking to?
my SL daughter, Scarlett. Oh my god, you put it on. You probably got a bunch of loose fur on
That's
you
so cute.
from transit.
Girl.
Tiny, tiny, tiny.
Oh, very. I love the tail.
I know. I'm really like about it. I'm recording, so I'll see you in a little bit.
I can't see it.
Oh, you want me to open the head in front of
Yeah.
you? Okay.
I'm change my clothes and go work
Well,
out.
okay. Well, say hi. I guess you could say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
This is my mother,
Hello.
the one that's put up with me for so many years. Oh gosh, the actual moment. Just like, oh my god, I can feel her hair. I haven't even touched her head yet, so.
Down in there. Batteries.
I know. I'm just trying to get her on a wrap. Oh yeah, she's dark red now.
Yeah, I like it.
I love the darker red. I'm not looking at her until everything is off of her. I'm like persistent not to look at her. Oh my god, she's beautiful!
Oh, that's really cool.
Oh my god, she's beautiful! Oh
Show
my god.
everybody.
Oh my god.
Put it on.
She's
Put it on.
beautiful!
Put it on.
Love the back.
She is beautiful!
Yes, she did a fantastic job.
$1,000 was worth it. I know. I'm gonna take some hairspray.
I love it.
Go,
That
look at
is
it, go,
so cool.
Put it on.
Oh my
Yes,
gosh!
that is very cool. Very
Oh my
cool.
god! Look at the Mercury symbols on the
I
back.
know. I like it. I saw
Oh my
that.
god! She's so good.
Very cool.
I love her. Thank you. Oh man.
Put it on.
I'm sitting here admiring my baby. She's alive now. Again. Your little tongue. The white fur. Oh gosh, she's so cold inside. She's so cold. Okay, anything in the head before I put this on. Okay. This must be, oh, that's the battery switch. Okay, wow, that's a lot more different. Wow, incredibly lined, incredibly well. Just phenomenal. Right, here goes nothing.
Whee!
Oh boy. Oh dear Lord, she's huge on my head. I'm gonna have to put a lot of padding because I cannot see diddly squat. I cannot see diddly squat. Her head is absolutely huge on me. Let's see. Like, because my vision, my eye sign is up here. She's completely.
By the way, your hair is a mess.
I know it is. I'm alive again. Love me. Oh my God, you fell. Okay, hang on. Let me.
All I see is your hands freak out and then your phone falls.
Oh God. she's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna have to add a crap ton of fat